let's check out this case for the Pixel Watch. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a 2-pack case for the Pixel Watch from Ringke. This is a matte and a clear case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the packaging. You say Ringke there, live a better day. Slim case for the Google Pixel Watch. Ringke original design, 2-pack, matte black and clear. Nothing else. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the case. Now there's not too many accessories available right now in regards to cases and screen protectors when it comes to the Pixel Watch. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We better something than nothing at all. What else do we get in here? And you do get your installation tips and stuff, and slim case for the Google Pixel Watch. Now this is the matte one here. I think this is what I'm gonna rock with. And it's not, let's go ahead and see if this will focus. There we go. It is not soft TPU. It is hard plastic, as you can see. Bam, all the cutouts look good, but we'll be the judge of that. Take a quick look at the clear one here. Now the clear one as well is not soft TPU, it is hard plastic, so a little harder to see, but bam, there you go. And then I'll give you a look on see. Now I do have a TPU screen protector currently installed, and I believe it's going to work just fine. So let's go ahead and start by starting here at the crown and then kind of just snap it in place. Bam, and absolutely fits pretty good actually. All the cutouts are nice and precise. As you can see, speaker mic there, and then the cutout mic there, button nice and accessible, your crown button nice and accessible, easily pressed, and you do have a little bit of lip protection there, as you can see. And I absolutely like this. It doesn't even interfere to taking off the bands. You can see the buttons there to take off the bands are nice and accessible. Nice Ringke branding right there, right above the speaker slot. Bam, absolutely looks good here. This case looks pretty damn good. I'm very impressed. Works just fine with the with the screen protector that I currently have installed. It works absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and try, and to take it off you kind of go from the speaker side here, from my opinion, and kind of slide it off, and bam, you take it off. Now let's take a look at the clear one, see if you like the clear one more. You can go ahead and I'm gonna start from the crown place and kind of put it in there and kind of just snap it in place. Now this is the clear one. If you like the clear one here, cutouts are nice and precise as well, looks very good. A little bit of lip protection there above, as you can see. Bam. But if you like the clear one, then you absolutely go ahead and get this 2-pack. It does not go wrong with it. Like if you have the silver one or the gold band, I can understand why you want to rock the clear one, so you can see the gold and the silver, but I think I'm gonna go with the matted black one. I absolutely like the way it looks. But if you have any questions regarding the Ringke Pixel Watch case, please let me know down in the comment section below. Link to this product will also be in the description of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.